Welcome back to Nuansa Art, your go-to destination for home design inspiration, interior beauty, and architectural artistry. Today, we're taking you deep into the heart of nature, into a place where peace and design live side by side. Picture this, a small, cozy guest house nestled in greenery, hiding a secret private courtyard garden that feels like your personal Eden. This is not just a living space. It's an experience of serenity, style, and smart design. In this video, we'll explore how these intimate architectural gems are redefining the way we think about nature, space, and relaxation. If you're passionate about home aesthetics and dream of building your own nature escape, stay with us. And don't forget to subscribe to Nuansa Art, like this video if you enjoy our content, and drop a comment below telling us your favorite feature. Let's explore this hidden sanctuary together. When we hear small guest house, many people still think of compromise, but in today's design world, that couldn't be further from the truth. A small guest house offers the perfect opportunity to blend simplicity with sophistication. These compact spaces embrace the minimalist lifestyle while maximizing comfort, functionality, and aesthetics. With open floor plans, clever storage solutions, and seamless indoor-outdoor flow, small homes offer a sense of calm and clarity larger houses often lack. The true luxury lies in how these homes are tailored, not just to fit, but to inspire. Whether it's a weekend retreat, artist studio, or a rental escape, these homes prove that less space can mean more life. And when you add a secret courtyard garden into the mix, it becomes a whole new level of tranquil design mastery. The highlight of these homes, and today's feature, is the secret private courtyard garden. Tucked away from the outside world, this hidden gem transforms your living experience. More than just a backyard, a courtyard garden is an extension of your indoor space, acting as an open-air living room where the sounds of birds replace urban noise and walls are replaced with leaves and sky. Designed with privacy in mind, these gardens often include lush landscaping, small fountains, stone paths, and shaded seating areas that create a space for meditation, reading, or intimate gatherings. In a world where constant digital noise can feel overwhelming, This green retreat reconnects you to what matters most: peace, nature, and reflection. Courtyard gardens also cool down the house naturally and offer a great solution for urban homes with limited yard space. One of the most brilliant aspects of this kind of design is the harmonious blend of indoor and outdoor living. Glass walls, large sliding doors, and continuous flooring patterns create a seamless transition between the interior space and the courtyard garden. Natural light floods the guest house, soft breezes circulate effortlessly, and every window opens up to greenery. Designers use materials like natural wood, stone, and earth-tone textiles to make the indoor feel as grounded and organic as the outside. The goal is unity, a home that doesn't sit on land but grows out of it. By focusing on form and function equally, these homes offer both practicality and poetry. For those craving a deeper connection with their surroundings, this design philosophy becomes not just beautiful, but necessary. Every corner of a well-designed small guest house is intentional. From compact kitchen layouts that still offer gourmet potential to multi-purpose furniture that transforms with ease, everything is built with mindfulness. High ceilings, neutral color palettes, and curated decor make the space feel larger and more open. Lighting plays a vital role, both natural and artificial. Smart design ensures that each room has a view or access point to the courtyard garden, creating a constant visual reminder of nature's presence. Even bathrooms open into private green spaces, offering a spa-like experience under the sky. The result is a home that's not only practical and beautiful, but deeply sensory. It doesn't just shelter, it nourishes. One of the strongest benefits of small guest house living, especially with a nature-based design, is sustainability. These homes consume less energy, produce less waste, and are often constructed with eco-conscious materials. Rainwater harvesting, solar panels, composting systems, and native landscaping make the space both self-sufficient and environmentally responsible. By designing small, we reduce our footprint without sacrificing quality of life. And that secret courtyard garden? It becomes a living system, a place to grow herbs, vegetables, and flowers that support local ecosystems. Designers are increasingly integrating green roofs and vertical gardens too, which increase insulation and biodiversity. In every way, this type of home aligns comfort with conscience, a perfect blend for the modern nature lover. Whether you're looking for a weekend escape, a peaceful work-from-home space, or even a high-value short-term rental, this kind of guest house fits the bill. The intimacy of the space combined with its unique design elements makes it highly desirable to travelers seeking more than just a place to sleep. Think about it. A private courtyard garden, charming architecture, peaceful vibes, and a curated interior. This is what modern-day travelers are craving on platforms like Airbnb. For homeowners, it offers investment potential without major renovations or large property needs. It's also ideal for remote work setups, creative studios, or even aging-in-place plants. The versatility is unmatched, and the beauty is unforgettable. All around the globe, architects and homeowners are embracing this trend and crafting a new definition of luxury, one that values serenity, sustainability, and smart design. In Japan, Guest houses use Zen garden elements and shoji screens to merge simplicity and nature. In the Mediterranean, courtyards offer cool, shaded havens with vibrant tiles and olive trees. Scandinavian designs emphasize clean lines, cozy interiors, and natural light. From Bali to Barcelona, the concept evolves, but the essence stays the same: beauty and balance. These homes are more than just a trend, they are a movement, a response to the chaos of modern life, offering an alternative that is both functional and soulful. With creativity, even the smallest space can become a world of its own. You don't need acres of land or a massive budget to build your own version of this serene retreat. Start by rethinking how you use space. Can you carve out a corner of your home or yard for a private garden area? Consider modular guest house kits or converting an existing shed or garage. Use natural materials, incorporate greenery, and design with intention. Keep the indoor spaces minimal yet warm, and allow light and airflow to guide your layout. Even a small terrace can become a peaceful courtyard with the right design approach. The key is to prioritize connection to nature, simplicity, and tranquility. By doing so, you'll create not just a living space, but a personal sanctuary that recharges your mind and body every day. Thank you for joining us today at Nuance Art as we explore the dream of small guest house living with a secret private courtyard garden. As we've seen, this concept blends thoughtful design with nature's beauty, offering not just a home, but a sanctuary. It's a lifestyle rooted in peace, creativity, and sustainability. If this idea inspired you, Let us know in the comments what your dream courtyard would look like. Don't forget to like this video to support our work, subscribe to Nuansa Art for more design inspiration, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an idea that could change your space and your life. Until next time, remember, the most beautiful homes are the ones that help you reconnect with nature, with art, and with yourself.